Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna get into it and I'm gonna be doing a Dollar Tree video. So I got my bags right here. Just a bunch of them. Not a lot, but okay, it's a lot. But I think I spent like it's like 60, 70 something. I don't remember, one of those. It was like 2 weeks ago and I've been wanting to film this for you guys. Of course, I didn't want to open everything because I know you guys like these haul videos. So I was like, let me just save it until I have time. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I got, you guys, is something. So these are just like what do they call them? Like downy little sheets, and I just put them in the dryer whenever I want to make my clothes not extra good. So this is really cool that I found, you guys. If you guys do nails, obviously this is mostly a nail channel, but it's basically like a lifestyle beauty channel. But you guys know I am a nail tech, so for those of you guys, I got these on the candle section. They are like big dabbing dishes. Look at that. They're huge. So these come with 4. So that means I would have said they're a quarter each, but not anymore. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree now. But for 4 of them for dabbing dishes, that's not bad for $1.25. I also got some white, what is it called? Paper gift tissue. Okay, I got 2 of them because you guys know I have my acrylic line out and I've been packing orders, and that has been pretty good too. For that, I also got this mask. I'm gonna interrupt really quick. If you guys haven't figured this out, or if you don't know, if you haven't heard, I have a 25-piece color acrylic set on my website, COUTURE.store, right now for $125. A bunch of people have been buying them, and to be honest, it's a really good deal. Think about it. You're getting 25 colored acrylics for $125, literally $5 each, and they are 1 ounce containers, so you get a pretty good amount of product. So cop that, you guys. Okay, so I got a hyaluronic acid bubble mask, face mask, whatever. So this mask, I got it because I've heard that hyaluronic acid is good for you. I don't know what the heck it does. Supposedly this is Korean. Supposedly stuff from Korea is good too. Who knows? We're in America. They like to. Okay. So the next thing I got is some little nails for my daughter. My daughter loves doing her nails, so I know she's gonna love these. She actually picked them out. She also got some crayons, and oh, these are really cute though. I didn't even know they had these. Anyway. Okay, so I finally found these. I've been looking for some. I think there's another one here, but I got this one. This is basically for pictures. They are like a little photo album. So I got this because since I have a bunch of those little decal things with the designs and stuff, so if people want to see what designs I have, like the decal wise, I could just put them in here. And it'll make it easier to like organize everything too, because my stuff is everywhere. And I really like this one because it has little flamingos. It's like a tropical vibe, and I live in Florida, and of course I'm kind of glad to live in Florida because it really calms me down, the weather and stuff. So I can't wait to put all that stuff in there. I also got some gift bags. This one says there's only 2. I got 2 of these. Whenever anybody wants to buy acrylics in person, I can put them in there. And as well as, oh no, I got another one of these. So I had probably gotten 3 of these because I already opened one, and then I got 3-piece sets of these pink ones, which I always usually buy. So I get them because, like I said, people buy stuff from me in person, and they came in handy because the other day one of my clients bought a bunch of acrylics for somebody in another country that they were going to gift them, and I just thought that was so sweet. So if you want to buy somebody a nice gift, my client actually ended up buying half a dozen of the sale that I have on, but I only let her do that because of the fact that, you know, she's my client and she's a really good client too. So, but it's still a good deal. Okay, and we got some Ioni lashes. These are a little bit more on the natural side, natural light wispy. The ones that I'm wearing are a little bolder, but they're from the same brand from Dollar Tree. You guys, if you're wondering if they're not on all the way, I kind of try to hurry up to put some freaking kind of lashes on for you guys. But look, they're not too bad. I actually really like them, right? And they're from Ioni, $1.25, you guys. What are you waiting for? Look at this, look at this, look at that. Okay. This is another one. I'll put another close-up. I don't like putting too close up because then it starts getting dark over here, okay? So So this is what they look like though. They're so cute. The packaging is so cute, and it's $125, you guys. Okay. Okay, so that's one bag. Let's go to the next. So my daughter picked out this Encanto tote bag for when we go shopping. So this is cute for her. She loves Encanto. Of course, probably all you guys kids do. So go to Dollar Tree and cop this, because I think I'm gonna start buying these bags with grocery shopping, because I'm tired of buying plastic. I don't know. Okay, so I did use one, so that's why it's missing, because I kind of like tried it out and it works great. But I did buy 2 of these. I didn't take them all. That's rude. One time I took all their containers and somebody got on me, and I was like, you're right, that's kind of messed up that I did that. Gotta save some for everybody, you guys. Okay, so, okay, then we got these little drawer organizer thingies. And these are good for your drawers, for your standing mats, if you want to separate things, little napkins, if you want to separate other things, if you want to use it for your office. Which I bought a couple because I'm going to have some for my office. I'm trying to move soon, you guys, so I cannot wait to move, and I'll bring you guys that right too. Okay, so then I got this. Well, I didn't get it. My daughter picked it out. She loves Frozen right now. She's obsessed with Frozen. So she got this little book, which is good because it's math. So she's going to try to learn math early, I guess. She's only 4. Okay, well, she's not even 4 yet. She'll turn 4 in July. Alright, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have found anything on Dollar Tree that I'm unaware of. I gotta go look for it, because right now, I have a weird theory that the reason why there's so many new things at Dollar Tree is because now that they're charging that extra quarter, I feel like it's giving them extra funds to bring in really cool stuff. That's how I see it. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I've been seeing, one, they're stocked up in my area like a lot more than usual. I know that you guys seen all my videos before, and your guys are always like, your Dollar Trees have so much stuff. Okay, they have more than usual, so I'm like wondering if that's the reason. I don't know. I also got these because I use them in my kitchen, and I actually like using these too, because if you ever want to mix acrylics, you can, and you can like use these little teaspoon, tablespoon things to make it easier, or you can use them for your kitchen, obviously. That's what they're really for. But I use them for other things, you know what I mean? Not just for the kitchen. Then 2 bags left. This is a small bag. Okay, so my daughter thought this was so cute, and she got it. She was like, Mommy, it's my size. That's the reason why I bought it. But honestly, I'm kind of glad she did, because I think, am I writing it? I don't know. For emergencies, it'll be in the house. And it smells so good. It's a little downy. All right, and then I got these makeup wipes that I believe I've bought them before. They are Retinol cleansing cloths, and they're makeup wipes. And I honestly really like these. I bought them a long time ago, but I stopped using them. But I think it's a pretty good idea to keep some in your bag or whatever in your beauty room, because sometimes some of that makeup does not want to come all the way up. Okay. Last bag. Okay, so I bought this for my car because my kids are messy, so I need to go put that in there. I've been having this stuff in here for so long. But I got this in case they make a mess, and I could just do a quick sweep in the car. I also, oh, here's a pink one of the photo album thingies. They're cute. I love them. Okay, so okay, this one's cute. This one is so cute. I think you can put, yeah, the thing I like about these little photo album things is you can put like, maybe you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my little Cricut. I have a little mini Cricut, not the big cool ones, but it still does its job. I'm gonna do the Cricut, and I'm gonna do like a little decoration and put like nail decal, whatever. You know what I mean? That's gonna be cute. All right, so then I got this brush. I really like this brush because it's very cute. I'm gonna open it now. Very cute brush, glittery. And if you guys do dip nails, if you do anything, even if you do nails or anything, or you do makeup, this is very cute. And the reason why I got it is not so much because I want it for my face, but because I do nails and I like pretty things. So I thought, this will be so cute to just brush off stuff. Look at that. It has, is that crystal clear? Yeah, it's like a clear, a purple, and like a pink color, and then it's like a gold. It's so pretty, right? When you're doing their nails and you're just like. Then I got, okay, I thought this was really cool, and there's a lot of reasons why I'm gonna say this. I found these planner sticker thingies, and they are pretty high quality, you guys. Look at that. High quality. So if you guys like to do your, like if you like to plan, I haven't been planning this whole year, I'm not even gonna lie, but I might, because these cute stickers are cute. Look at that. Okay, and it's not the only reason why I bought them. It's because in reality, I think I do need a plan, because I'm better at planning when I'm writing stuff down than when I'm looking on my phone. Look at that. Dang, this is a lot. And I got this clipboard because I have to do inventory soon for my website, and I was like, you know what? I don't have a paper clip thing. What is this called? A clipboard. Okay, I don't got a clipboard. The freaking name's right there. I'm gonna just read it, Lord. Okay, I don't got a clipboard, and I'm really gonna need this so I can just. Ooh, that's pretty strong. Okay, I'm gonna need this so I can be like, okay, how many of these do I have? How many of that do I have? Let me put it away. That's gonna help out a lot. Okay, and it's $1.25. I gotta remember that. I bought some paintbrushes for my kids. They love to paint. They probably already have some, but they look cheap, not gonna lie. But they're for them. They're for them to make a mess. And then we got more. Oh, I didn't know about more of these. Cool. I need to hang these up somewhere. Okay, I bought these and I love them. They're so pretty. Then I got these piercing and scoring tool set. Oh, these are gonna be good for my Cricut. These things are super sharp. I should open them. So these things are good because when I used to do my lipsticks and I had to put the labels on them, it was really hard to remove. Ooh, this is gonna help out a lot. They look like these. Very, very sharp looking. Okay, the last thing, you guys, I actually bought more than this, but I did want to try one out to give you guys an honest review. It's somewhere in there, I don't know. But I got some LA Colors Nude Glam lipsticks and LA Colors Nude Glam, I guess, liners. So they do go together. They had a big old thing there, which I thought was really cool. And they're all right. As in, like, from a 1 to a 10, I'll give them a 3. Like, as in, like, they'll tint your lips. Like, I don't know. Maybe I should use another color. I only used one other one. But the lipstick wasn't too bad. I'm gonna open one. But I did get Pinky Swear, Bear With Me, and Oh Teddy. So different colors. And then this one is in Opportunity. And I have 2 other ones that I already opened. That is it. If I would have to tell you one thing that I liked out of everything that I thought was really cool was these little candle holders. But for a dab and dish, you guys, why not, right? And you could do acetone, and you could do alcohol in here if you're doing polygel or something. Very cool. All right, you guys. Oh, and the photo album things. I cannot wait to put that together. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in and giving me your time. And I appreciate everybody that's been ordering on my websites. And it makes me so happy and excited. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. And let me see. Don't forget to check it out, you guys. Even if you don't buy anything, just go check out my website. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I appreciate everything, you guys. Comment down below what you're gonna go cop that I just showed you guys from the Dollar Tree. I need to go back to the Dollar Tree already. I just got excited to go again. Okay. I did spend too much though, but a lot of that stuff I'm actually gonna use, you guys. I don't go to the Dollar Tree if I really don't think I'm gonna buy it. And when I'm there, I literally take stuff out that I do not need. And I'm like, okay, I don't need that, okay? That's what we gotta do. All right, you guys, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And until next time, bye-bye. Porque si no siento tu voz o tu olor, te extraño y te quiero ver. Quiero ver. Tanto me falta. Todas esas noches tan solas.